Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a topic that's a lifesaver for many, recovering WhatsApp messages without a backup. Whether you've accidentally deleted important messages or lost them during a phone transition, don't worry, we've got you covered. Before we jump into the steps, it's crucial to understand that recovering WhatsApp messages without a backup can be challenging and might not always be successful. However, we'll explore the best strategies to maximize your chances of retrieval. Step 1. Check WhatsApp's hidden backup. Sometimes WhatsApp may have backups that aren't immediately visible. To check, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. During the setup, if you're prompted to restore from a backup, it means there's a hidden backup available. Method 2. Checking WhatsApp databases. Another method involves checking the WhatsApp database folder on your device. This method requires a file manager app and might be a bit technical, but it's worth a shot. Navigate to your phone's internal storage, then go to the WhatsApp folder, and here you'll find the backup files. Select the most recent one before your messages were deleted. Now, moving on to the method 3, using third party software. One of the most common methods to recover WhatsApp messages without a backup is by using third party software. There are several options out there like Dr. Phone, Tenorshare All Data, and Ease Us Movie Saver. And there you have it, some methods to try when you need to recover WhatsApp messages without a backup. Remember, always enable automatic backups in WhatsApp settings to avoid losing messages in the future.